Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be repairing this power strip. I just happen to have a brown duplex kicking around in the workshop and this outlet is bad. So we're going to take it apart and see what we get into. Maybe there will be a date code. Got a screw here on this side. Already hear something loose in there. And a screw on this side. It's been quite a number of years since I have opened this thing up. Yep. Let's see, what do we got here? Don't see any dates on it. It's had I don't know, it's got three different brands of plugs in it. It's an AMF circuit breaker it's got in it. I could have swore this thing had a date code on it. But oh well, we'll get into replacing this. That certainly looks like something I would do because the leads are tinned. And these don't even have provisions for side terminals. There we go, just had to get the right screwdriver. And they come right out. And there's the still good neon bulb with, looks like, pretty excessive lead length to me, in my opinion. Let's see about that. That certainly appears to have gotten warm at some point. We'll probably clean that up. Probably put some heat shrink tubing on it, and it should be okay. Oh yeah, that'll be good. the old heat gun going here. And that should be decent enough. And I'm going to have to break these tabs off. Well, we're continuing on with this little project. I am going to make some new wire sections for this, as these aren't quite long enough. Oh man, so this turned into an Octember failure real quickly. This is the next day. I have it all completely rewired. It's got a new switch, new everything except for the circuit breaker and the power cord. All the internals are renewed because I had a bad wire here, the lead into the strip. So I started to repair it, and then it kind of messed up on the switch. I said, get a new switch for it. All new wires, all new outlets. So I'm about to give it a test to see if it works. All back together, let's give it a test. Flip the switch. Okay, neon comes on. Now I'm going to go through all the outlets. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. 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 All are good. Full chooch. I believe we're all ready to go back into service. Here's the before. We're going to clean this wiring up here. This never did have power on it when nobody was here, but 45, 50 years later, this is probably the longest item on the list that's going to be getting taken care of. Power switch is under operation. We've got a main switch right there that controls everything, so going to get it all fixed up and in pretty good shape again. Just a quick update out here in the house shop. I got the light switch all there nice and installed. Power strips back in service. Probably give that a coat of white paint across there. It's just a shop, not a big deal. This used to be here, and there was a preheat that used to be attached to this board. Well, there's another preheat attached to the board on the back side. This was new in the box, minus the bulb, and I went ahead and put that over here. Now back to this switch. I decided to make the outlet. See if we can see it. Nope. You can kind of see stuff plugged in up there. I made that outlet switched rather than using the power strip and then cutting off the breaker. Flip the switch, the lights come on. And I'll turn the fan off so it's not so loud. Also on the list, clean up, but that's another day, another video. And now when the switch is flipped, everything goes out here. So we don't have to worry about power on these wires at all. And then you want the preheat light on for the workbench. Well, there it is. I'll do a video on that later. Here's a look at the light situation. The wiring's been cleaned up. If you remember, there was the camera's not liking that. There was just some wires hanging. In this general area that's since been removed, and they're all wired up like this with these black power cords like this original one was. So that should be a much better situation going forward. One little power strip caused me a lot of trouble, but it's back in service. Thank you for watching.